Ever wondered if you can start investing without breaking the bank? Like, really breaking the bank? I mean, what if you only have a few bucks to spare? Can you still dive into the world of investments? Well, today we're tackling that exact question, focusing on StashAway. Let's find out if your spare change can actually grow into something more. Now, the dream of financial freedom often feels like a distant galaxy. You need a spaceship full of cash, right? Wrong. The universe of investing is actually more inclusive than you think. But does StashAway fit into this inclusive picture? Can you start your investment journey with just a sprinkle of your earnings? Let's break it down. StashAway is often painted as this high-tech, sophisticated platform for seasoned investors. But is it really? Or can even the financial newbies with small pockets take advantage of it? The short answer? It depends. StashAway does have a reputation for being investor-friendly. They've stripped away a lot of the financial jargon and made investing seem less like solving a complex math problem. But there's a catch. While they don't have a strict minimum investment amount to open an account, there's a little more to the story. For their core investment portfolios, the ones that promise to grow your money over time, there isn't a minimum. You can start with as little as $1, theoretically. It's like planting a tiny seed with the hope it'll grow into a mighty oak. But remember, small acorns take time to become big trees. However, there's a twist. StashAway also offers something called an income portfolio. This one's designed to provide a steady stream of income. And here, things change. To get your hands on this particular portfolio, you'll need a minimum balance of a specific amount. It's like needing a slightly bigger pot for that oak tree. So, while you can technically start investing on StashAway with pocket change, to access all its features, you might need to save up a bit more. It's a trade-off, right? Smaller steps versus bigger rewards. But don't let this discourage you. Starting small is still a giant leap. Every little bit counts. And StashAway, with its user-friendly interface and automated investment strategies, can be a great starting point. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency, not necessarily the size of your initial deposit. So, if you're looking to dip your toes into the investment world without taking a financial plunge, StashAway could be an option. Just make sure to understand the different portfolios and their requirements. And there you have it. Can you start investing with StashAway on a shoestring budget? Yes, you can. But to fully utilize the platform, you might need to adjust your expectations. It's all about finding the right balance between your financial goals and your starting point. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.